Hey guys, it's Sandro from Abstract Homes and Renovations. Just again, just want to show you in this laneway here. We're just doing the demolition on the concrete, getting ready for the laneway. And again, we find more surprises here. Is this thing doesn't even have a footing on it. This garage, built in '89, should have had at least a footing on this thing, and it's just a big chunk of concrete poured on top of sand, basically. Not even good sand, it's terrible sand. And you can see the difference in where you got, you know, 3 inches, maybe less than 3 inches on this one section right here. It's kind of broken down a little bit, but that's just very thin, and then you get to thicker parts of it. It just shows the quality of the builder that was doing this before. And found many more holes that they buried clay tile in, and it's sunk into the ground along over here. And actually there's a spot like right here and another big one here where this created a big sinkhole in here and cut the or the concrete sort of just sank and broke up, busted all up here. So I'm going to replace this stuff anyways and take this garbage out of here and fill it in with good compactable type material, so when we put the concrete back in and whatever else, the pavers that we have to do, that it's not going to have the same problem again. See you later.